Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. This is going to be a video about what happens when you ignore autopilot when it tells you to put your hands on the steering wheel. So I'm just curious to see what's the next move. Okay, so we're going to do a little slower so people behind me, if I get any, can just pass me. Okay, still not asking me yet to put both hands on the steering wheel. Curious to see what happens. As you can see, autopilot is with the new update. I noticed it's holding the road. It's really tight between the lines now, versus before it used to. Oh, there you go. Now I have the first message: apply slight turning force to steering wheel. I'm going to ignore that. Yeah, I got a car behind me, so let's see what happens. Hopefully it's before the lights. Okay, apply slight turning force to steering wheel. Car behind me still there. Come on, get out. I'm still ignoring it. Auto is still unavailable for the rest of the drive. So that's what happens. Okay, let's keep going. All right. Okay, so I'm just gonna turn it off. So that's what happens when you ignore the message that's asking you to put both hands on the steering wheel.